Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. I have my Beautylish bag. So, first note, I was supposed to put my sample Saturday video up today, but I got my Lucky Bag in the mail yesterday, and so I wanted to film this and get this up right away. Since it's a little time sensitive, my samples, it's already filmed. It was supposed to go up last week and life happened. So, it's coming. Make sure that you tune into that if you were hoping for Sample Saturday. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy that you are here. If you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you got in your lucky bag if you got it. I just barely slid it. I haven't even pulled it up yet. So let's get right into it. I don't want to show my address. That's the main thing. All right. So I just got the regular lucky bag. I was not going to fight with people or try to do like early access or anything like that. So I just got on when they went on sale, got it fairly easily, which was nice. And it looks so nice. This is what it looks like. It's all packaged nicely. The paper is super cute once again. And then you have Lucky Bag 2023. I still am like struggling with it being 2023. Like, that seems absolutely insane. Now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. So there's the front, and then Lucky Bag 2023 and hashtag Lucky Bag. I'm excited, or hashtag Beautylish. I don't even know what I'm saying. All right. First thing in here, we have paper that will go in the recycling. And then, oh, it seems to be all in a, try not to look. Okay. First thing, oh, brushes of some sort. Okay. So if you don't know, Lucky Bags are $75 plus shipping, and they go on sale the day after Christmas or Boxing Day. And they are $75, and they're supposed to have like double that amount in retail, I believe. And then there's a $150 extra large bundle as well. I just went with the regular one. So I have some brushes. These are unit brushes. Okay. So we have the, let me take them out of the plastic really fast. I remember people getting these last year. I did not get these last year. Last year was my first year getting a Lucky Bag. I'd watched them for a few years, and then I was like, oh, I want to get one. And so this is my second Lucky Bag. So I have the unit 301. Then there is the unit 304 and the 302, the 303, the, what are you? 305 and the 306. I'm not really sure what they all are for. These look very similar. One is just a little fluffier than the other. I would assume this is, I don't know. I'm not going to try to guess what they are. If I remember and have a chance, I will put them down below, write down what they all are. But yes, first thing, brushes. The next thing is a small box. Oh, it's good. Molecules. I have been trying to use up facial oil, so I guess this is a sign that I need to use them more. I've been trying to use up all the ones that I own. I have way too many of them. Ultra hydrating facial oil. I don't use a lot of facial oil, so that's why I've been trying to use them up. So let's pull this out. Okay, it's not too big. It's 0.44 ounces or 13 mils. Definitely will try to get use out of that. Then we pull out something larger. What is this? Oh, okay. This is Briogeo Scalp Revival Stimulating Therapy Massager. I don't know if this is something I will really use. You can't really tell, but my hair is now down to my knees, and so I don't do a lot with it. I just shampoo and conditioner leave in. I think I might pass this along, see if I have a friend who wants that. So that's not the biggest like thrill for me. Then we have a Wayne Goss. This is the Essential Lip Pencil, and it is in the shade Natural Berry. I don't remember if, I know I have a Wayne Goss. I don't think I probably have something this dark. I did get the light medium box. There also is a dark box. Okay, that's not too bad. That's kind of nice. We'll give it a swatch. So that's what it looks like. All right, not too bad. I have been trying to use lip liners more this past year. So that will be continuing into 2023. And my refrigerator just went on, so please excuse it. Then we have something from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Easy Eye Palette Darling Look. Is that the color? Yeah, it says Darling. I do own this palette. Oh, shoot. So I got this in a Cult Beauty kit that they did 2021 sometime. So I will be passing this along because I don't need two of this eyeshadow palette. It's actually been sitting in my drawer because I've been trying to go through some of my other palettes and decide which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to pass along. So that one, dang it. I was really trying not to buy things this past year that I thought would be in the Lucky Bag, just in case, because last year I got a repeat. I got a retro palette, which I already had. So that's kind of disappointing. This is MOB Repurposed Compact. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's empty compact. I hope they gave us something to put in here. Because, yeah, that's just empty. Maybe that's the other thing. Okay, yes. Okay, so I have a cream clay blush. Oh my gosh. A cream clay blush. And it's in, I don't know what shade it's in, M70. I am probably going to also pass this set along because I don't do a lot of cream blushes, and I have several of them that I'm trying to use up, and liquid blushes, and I just like, the blush I have on is a powder blush, and I just absolutely love this, and the color would probably be okay, but I don't need it. And I have like, I think I counted, I have like 100 blushes, so I definitely don't need another blush. So I think I'm going to pass this along. Then last up, I have from Wayne Goss, this is the Luxury Cream Lipstick in Macadamia. I always use a butter knife to get these packages open because they're hard sometimes. And, oh, that is not a color I will wear. That, no, that's not a me color, unfortunately. So, yeah, let's recap. Because that was the last thing in that bag. And then, otherwise, I just have more paper. And then this paper, which I will keep. I kept the paper from last year, too, because I thought it was so pretty. But, yeah. So, for $75, like, do I think this was worth it? For me personally, no, just because of what I got. Last year's I just absolutely loved. I really got a lot of things that I was really excited about. This year, not as many things. So the lipstick is not a shade I will wear. I do think Wayne Goss has amazing products, and I love his channel, but that's just not a shade I will be using. This would be incredible if this wasn't like one of the 2 or 3. This is the only palette I have 2 of her quads that I've gotten as like in mystery bags or in gifts with purchase. So I hardly have anything Charlotte Tilbury, and the one thing they send is something I already have, which is kind of disappointing. This isn't something I really see myself using. I haven't heard of MOB, so I need to research. Maybe they have some other things that I might like better, but yeah, a cream blush is just, I'm not into cream blushes. I know they're like all the rage right now. I don't have the patience for that. Plus I'm oily and I like to have powder, and then remembering to do my blush and stuff and before the powder, it's too much for me some days. Most days. And then the scalp massager, that's not something I'm probably going to use. Even though my shower routine has a lot of products, I want to get in and out as fast as possible. I'm not going to be sitting there massaging my scalp or anything. So that's kind of disappointing. That's basically 5 items out of this box that I won't use. And I will use the lip pencil. I think it's a nice color. This is definitely more of a me color, more of a berry tone type. And then I will get use of some of the brushes. I don't know if I will use all of the brushes, but 6 brushes is pretty nice. And then I will put the face oil in my rotation as well. I have a couple older ones that I'm using, but this will go in my stash of face oils and eventually get used. So, you know, 2 that I'm kind of happy about, the brushes and the lip liner. This one I'm okay with, but the rest of it I'm going to be passing along. So that's a little disappointing. I still need to pass along my retro palette that I got last year. It's been just sitting untouched. I was hoping to trade, and I had it listed on my subscription addiction, their trade, but everybody wanted to trade, like, you know, just regular subscription stuff, and I was really hoping that somebody would have the Zendo palette or the bronze palette or the glam palette. Yeah, the glam palette. And nobody wanted to trade for those. One person had the retro, or the Zendo wanted something like more expensive than, and I was like, dang it. So, and then they closed that board in July. And yeah. So anyway, let me know what you got in your bag. This was kind of negative. I was really excited when this started, and then it just kind of was a disappointment. Anyway, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.